In this video, we are going to see one more problem based on divisibility rules. What least number must be added to 329 so that the sum is exactly divisible by 7? Options are 1, 0, 2 and 3. Friends, we know very well the divisibility rule for 7 is quite simple. Let us go over the solution. Double the units digit and subtract from the remaining number. So let us take 329. So if I take double of the units digit number, that means 9 into 2, which will give you 18, and I am subtracting this 18 from 32, so I got 14 as answer. Friends, we know very well if this difference, whatever this into 2 of double number and subtract from the remaining number, if this difference is 7 or exactly exactly divisible by 7, then the entire number is divisible by 7. So here we got 14. 14 is a multiple of 7. So it means 329 is already divisible by 7. 329 is divisible by 7. So we need not add any number. So it need not add any number means we should add 0 for it. So we need not add any number. So option is 0. Answer is 0. We need not add any number to 329 because 329 is already divisible by 7. So since we got double of the unit digit and subtract from the remaining number, we got 14. So 14 is a multiple of 7. So 329 is already a multiple of 7. So 0 should be added. So 329 plus 0 is equal to 329 only. So 0 should be added to 329 so that the sum is exactly divisible by 7. Here there is one more question based on the divisibility rule for 8. The question is, what least value must be assigned to star so that the number 63576 star 2 is divisible by 8? Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Friends, the given number is 63576 star and 2. He is asking what should be in the place of star so that the entire number is divisible by 8. Friends, we know very well the divisibility rule for 8 is based on the last 3 digits of any number, right? So I am taking that last 3 digit number. So 6, suppose I can take 6-2. So what is the number in these 4 options? We can go by options. So say 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the number that I should place in the that I should put in the place of this star? Here in this place, so that the number is divisible by 8. So my dear friends, let us check one by one. We can do it very quickly. Suppose if I put 1 here, that becomes 612. Is 612 divisible by 8? No, 612 is not divisible by 8. So if I make it 622, is 622 divisible by 8? No, 622 is also not divisible by 8. If I put 3 here, that becomes 632. Yes, 632 is divisible by 8 because first of all 8 sevens are 56. 63 minus 15 is 72. So again 7 sevens are not 7 sevens are 63. I'm sorry, let me correct here. If I put 3 here, 632 is the number. So first of all 8 sevens are 56. 63 minus 56 is equal to 7. 7 twos are 8 nines are, so 79 times. So 8 goes in 632 79 times. So exactly it is a multiple of 8. So if I put 4 here, 642. So clearly 642 is also not divisible by 8. So 632 is the only number that is divisible by 8, which goes 79 times. We got the quotient here also, 79 times. So clearly I can say 3 should be in the place of that star so that the entire number is exactly divisible by 8. 8. If x and y are the 2 digits of the number 347xy such that the number is completely divisible by 80, then what is the value of x plus y? 2, 4, 6 and 8. Friends, here this question is based on divisibility rule for 8. So here 80 can be written as, it is 80 but we have to use 2 divisibility rules here. So 80 can be written as 8 into 10. So that means this number should be divisible by both 8 and 10. So my dear friends, the given number is 347x and y. Since he is saying that the number is exactly divisible by 80, So we know if any number is divisible by 10, definitely the last number should be 0. 0. So we already got the value of y. Value of y is 0. So the only thing is, what is the value of x? So friends, now we will go for the divisibility of 8. 10, with the help of divisibility of 10, we know that this value is 0. Otherwise this number is not divisible by 10, right? So now we will go for the divisibility of 8. So let us take the last 3 digits again. So this number is 7. So let me correct here for you. So this number is 7, this number is 0. What is the number that I should place here in the place of x? The given options are 2, 4, 6 and 8. Clearly, my dear friends, here if I put, we know 8 9s are 72, right? So clearly if I put 2 here, 720. So 8 9s are 72, then 0 comes. So 8 9s are 72. That's why 2 is the only possible option, because if I put 4 here, it becomes 740. So it is not divisible. 760 is not divisible by 8. 780 is also not divisible by 8. So 2 is the only option that I can place here. So that means the value of y already 0 we got. That means the value of x is 2. So the question is, what is the value of x plus y? So x plus y is nothing but 2. 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is also equal to 2. So that means the value of x plus y, option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Answer is 2. So the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 0. X plus y is equal to 2 is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.